Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete Telegram account permanently. So to do that, head over to your Telegram application. Once you are there, just tap on the three lines icon on the upper left corner. And in here, just go to the settings option and then scroll down and go to Telegram FAQ and scroll down until you find the option of delete your Telegram account. Once you are there, you will find this option of how do I delete my account. If you would like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So go to the deactivation page. Here, give your phone number, and once you give your phone number, Telegram will just give you a confirmation code via Telegram, and after getting that confirmation code, you just have to head over to their website and just delete your Telegram account. So yeah, this is how you can just delete your Telegram account. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.